Welcome to Celaria. I'm Dr. Gaines and this will be a guide on how to play the game. I'll be covering everything from basics to advanced techniques. I'll first start off with the default controls. You can change your key bindings on the game start menu by selecting options and controls. For moving the character, press W, A, S, or D to move you in each direction. Press space to jump and control to crouch. Pressing escape will open the menu where you can exit the game and view medal times and leaderboard times. Your personal best will be seen at the bottom of the leaderboards. You will want to avoid moving with S, as this will give you less speed than moving forward, left, or right. Also, turning too fast will slow your character down, so try to stay moving in a somewhat straight line while possible. You will get more height from your jumps by holding the jump button. Tapping jump will give you quick short jumps. Try to avoid climbing walls. This will only add to your runtime. If a wall's a little too high to jump over, you can get some extra height by pressing crouch as you get to the top of a wall. Make sure you're pressing jump without pressing crouch until you get to the top of your jump to keep getting maximum height. To perform a wall climb, press and hold jump when you get close to the wall. Letting go of jump early will give you way less height. You can climb a little over 24 meters, which is about 12 squares high. If you find that you can't climb a wall, try backing up and getting some speed. Speed adds to your ability to climb higher. You can climb a wall and jump off of it to get to higher places. This can be chained into multiple wall jumps to get even higher. You can also use adjacent walls to climb by jumping back and forth on them. This will get you to higher places pretty quick. To perform a wall run at the wall and press and hold jump. Letting go of jump will keep you attached to the wall, but you'll start to fall. You can wall jump from a wall run by letting go of jump and pressing jump again. You won't need to stay looking at the wall to do a wall run or a wall jump. You can aim where you want to be accurately while staying attached to the wall. You'll want to start a wall run by coming into the wall around 45 degrees or less. Trying to start a wall run while coming in too sharp will just make you stick to the wall. It's faster to run and jump from a wall than it is to climb a wall. You can also chain wall runs so that you can stay high enough and keep your speed while going through the map. To slide you want to run and then press crouch. This will carry your speed past something that you need to get under. It will be more efficient to hold crouch and slide longer, but holding on too long will make you move slower than crawling speed. To roll, press crouch just before you touch the floor. This will let you carry your speed without getting the fall damage effect. It would be faster to jump and roll than it would be to slide under something. Try to roll under blocks whenever you can. You won't actually need to roll until you fall from 20 meters or about 10 squares. Falling from 20 meters will make you get the fall damage effect, slowing you down. As you may have already noticed, there are different colors of blocks in this game. These will give you different power-ups depending on the color. Green blocks will greatly increase how high you can jump. You can press and hold jump from both a floor or a wall to get this power-up. You can also use the green wall to get a much higher wall climb. Yellow blocks will make you run faster as you're going over top of them. You'll want to use the blocks whenever you can, as you will almost be running twice as fast. Try to find this power up whenever you can, as it'll significantly lower the time it takes you to go in between checkpoints. Running on a yellow wall doesn't affect you. It only works when you're running on top of a yellow floor. You can also use this power up to climb higher on walls, getting you to areas normally too high to reach. Blue blocks are just slippery surfaces. It's better to avoid blue as much as you can. Turning on a blue floor will slow you down, and you won't have the best control. You won't be able to climb blue walls, you'll just go as high as you can normally jump. You also won't be able to jump off of a blue wall. You can get around the poor turning ability from blue by using walls or rolls, since they both carry your speed at whichever direction you're aiming. You can bypass climbing blue walls if there's an adjacent wall that isn't blue, but this effect doesn't last indefinitely. You can also avoid the effects of blue by grabbing a ledge and jumping where you want to go. Now I'll be getting into some more of the advanced techniques. These will be more for if you really want to shave off some time, or get through some of the custom maps. These won't be necessary to play the game normally. To start off, you're able to keep running over a small jump by tapping crouch. This will keep you getting speed, and can even help you set up some of the strats. You can wall run on top of a wall, then continue running on top by looking into the wall. You can also wall run and jump straight at the top of a wall. If you jump at the top of a wall like this, you can set up another wall run. This is another technique that can be chained. You're able to make small strafes in this game. This is good for getting around walls flush with the floor, or slightly adjusting where you've jumped. You can run off of a block and immediately start a wall run. You can also wall run and jump to the back of a wall, then continue your wall run to get higher or further. In some places, you can make a quick U-turn to maximize your speed. This is most useful in yellow blocks. You can use a small ledge to jump in another direction or climb higher. In custom maps you might see map makers add ladders using this kind of effect. To climb a ladder, just hold jump while having a little bit of vertical momentum. The last technique I'll go over is corner jumping. You just want to press jump right as the side of your character touches the corner. This will open up some new routes and shave off some time. You can also perform a corner jump by pressing jump at the end of a wall run. And just a few other tips. You can view someone's ghost for a map by selecting their name in the leaderboards. This will help you find routes and improve your times. You can press F2 and open up the free cam. This will help you look around the map and help you keep up with the ghost if you can't keep up to it. I recommend playing through the tutorial if you're new to this game. It'll give you a description on how to play the game, along with some gifts on how to perform that stage of the map. Well, I hope this guide has been helpful, and I hope you enjoy Celaria. Later.